Я приехал в Марсель. Okay, so I've arrived at Marseille St. Charles. I want to give you some very good piece of advice if you're coming from a different region of France. Try a train called We Go. This train will cost you between 10, 20 and 30 euros, depending on how long you book in advance. I think this is a really cheap option if you want to travel to Marseille on a day trip or you want to be here for a few days. So remember the website wego.com. So as you can see, I'm in a very beautiful place, but actually I'm in an island about 10-15 minutes boat ride from Marseille. So I'll tell you what happened. We went outside the St. Charles station, walked down the high street. The high street is very beautiful. When you look up at the buildings, you think, wow. But one thing that's very surprising, and this has never happened to me in anywhere in the world I went to, I had my bag behind me. And a French woman, she came to me and she said, be careful, watch your bag, pickpockets might steal it. So in an aspect of in Marseille, you have to be careful of pickpockets. We went down to the port because I was with my Ukrainian friend as we're going to watch Ukraine-Poland today in the European Championships in France. And we didn't know where to go, so we started looking at all the restaurants. The restaurants are a little bit expensive, but I think if you want something to eat, it's a beautiful place to go because there's so many different types of bars and restaurants, from French, Italian and local Marseille cuisine. But then we saw this port and we saw a queue for it. So we decided, are we going to go for the boat ride or not? And when we looked at the boat ride, it says it's only 20 euros. And we thought, okay, let's try. And this ride actually takes you all the way to 2 different islands, so you can actually explore different islands, beautiful islands like this, by just paying 20 euros. So I recommend, if you are coming to Marseille, just take this boat ride and you can explore. It's like a little adventure. Actually, I think Morocco or Algeria is just like 10 kilometers that way. So actually you feel like you're in North Africa, yet you're in France, and it's a good way to kill like 3 hours in a day. So maybe I'll see you in the Stade Velodrome on my next part of my video.
Привет, Джонни. Вот твой билет, пожалуйста. Точнее, 2 билета. Мы приехали поддержать наших. Да, мы, конечно, уже не в игре, но все равно будем болеть. Ну, мы в любом случае должны выиграть, потому что столько людей приехали поддержать их на последнюю игру. Они до этого взяли и вылетели, поэтому, сейчас будем болеть за наших. И я думаю, что мы выиграем, конечно. Да, мы выиграем. Украина!
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly note that smoking is prohibited. Thank you. National anthem of Ukraine.